If you're interested in getting a first look inside of a new 110 scale 4x4 RTR truck from Element RC, Enduro Trailrunner, you have come to the right place. Welcome to Pixel Hobbies. Today I have the latest offering from Element RC, a new 110 scale Enduro Trailrunner 4x4 RTR truck that I'm going to unbox and take a first look at. A special thanks and shout out to Jason at JJ Customs LLC in San Jose, California. I was able to pick one up much earlier than the pre-order directly from Element RC. So if you're in the market for an RC or RC related parts and accessories in the Bay Area, go check him out. Having spent quite a bit of time with my Element RC Enduro Sendero since last year, I am quite familiar with the overall capabilities. More importantly, all the pros and the cons. Few months back, Element RC introduced independent front suspension conversion kit for the Element Enduro and Trailwalker. Enduro Trailrunner is the third RTR trail truck from Element RC that merges the IFS kit into one ready-to-run kit with a killer-looking SUV body which can be customized to your taste, with the included accessories such as the customizable front bumper, snorkel, roof rack, and decals. More importantly, as a 1.3 version of Enduro series of RTR trucks, it fixed quite of the few of the negatives of the previous versions. Although it does not say on the box, all the plastic pieces are now shipped with hard plastics, which means less flex of the chassis and you don't need to shell out additional money to convert them into hard plastics. Let's dive into the unboxing. One thing for the first time Element RC owners, be careful while opening the box as the box will double as a scale garage, actually in this case a scale showroom. It's really a cool thing that Element RC includes this feature. Here's the owner's manual. I love it that they continue to resemble the old Haynes auto repair manual that I used to have. In the back, it also comes with a huge sticker sheet to customize the look of the body to your liking. We have a bag of extra parts as well. Here are the contents inside the bag. It comes with a set of accessories, the front bumpers, a snorkel, a roof rack, wires for LED, mount, some accessories and parts on it. Additionally, it comes installed with a short battery tray. If you want to use a longer, bigger battery, then you will need to install the bigger battery tray. If you want to convert the IFS back into a solid axle, it comes with solid axle housing, a chest mount and servo tray. There are some additional parts that comes with it, such as the plastic servo horns, and it also comes stock installed with a 5.7% overdrive. If you do want to convert into a 11.83% overdrive, there are the parts included to be able to do that as well. Molded side mirrors comes in a bag attached to the box. Then we have the transmitter radio. Nothing fancy here, but it does feel good in the hand of an RTR radio. Here's the Enduro Trailrunner out of the box. Let's take a close look. One thing, although it is RTR ready to run model, you'll still need your own battery and charger to get running, so keep that in mind. It comes out of the box assembled and detailed, and it looks awesome. It has the look of a Toyota 4Runner, but with slight variances as it's not an officially licensed body. It would have been nice to have the actual 4Runner body, but price would have gone up. Nonetheless, I'm loving the look. Let's take a quick look at the body features. Body comes in a high-strength polycarbonate with fine details. It has molded grille, molded fender flares, front wipers, door handles, blacked out B-pillars. In the rear, it has molded spoiler fin, rear wipers, molded rear balance where normally a bumper would be. It also comes with licensed MagnaFlow exhaust. Very nice touch. It also comes with clear windows with tinted decals, which can be removed. The molded side mirrors comes in a bag as I mentioned earlier. Personally, I run my RCs without them, as I haven't had too many broken mirrors over the years. As mentioned earlier, the body can be customized to your taste with customizable included from bumpers, the snorkel, roof rack, and the huge amount of sticker sheets that it comes with. Next thing that stands out is the 1.5 size wheels with 3.85-inch tires. It comes with officially licensed General Grabber tires with black beadlock wheels. It's very scale looking and I really like the look, but I would have preferred if they came with 1.9 wheels. Let's get the body off and see what's inside. Here's the chassis. Starting from the battery tray to the rear, it's basically the same as other Enduros, except for the use of the hard plastics. A slightly different design on the side rails. It's now a much stronger chassis without the flex that it used to have. It comes installed with shorty battery tray, so if you plan to use the bigger battery, then you will need to swap out the battery tray that is included in the parts tray bag. Like the previous Enduros, it comes with aluminum body shocks that are threaded so you can adjust the preload depending on the weight that you put on it. As for electronics, it comes with a 16-turn 5-slot brushed crawler motor, Reedy SC400X ESC with T-plug connector, which is basically a rebranded Hobbyring 1040 ESC, and a really high torque Metal Gear servo, which should provide an ample power to this rig. Personally, I find the ESC and the servo a bit lacking, so I will probably upgrade to Hobbyring 1080 ESC and a better servo. And then one of the biggest features of Enduro is its transmission with Stealth X gearbox with adjustable overdrive gears. Out of the box, it comes with 5.7% overdrive installed, which means that the front tire spins 5.7% faster compared to the rear, which helps with climbing abilities. It comes with additional overdrive gears that you can change to and get 11.83% overdrive. In other competitors, overdrive gears are optional and typically cost around $50. So Enduro is a great bargain when you consider that to the overall price. In the front is the main difference of Trailrunner versus the others, and that is the IFS, or independent front suspension. It has adjustable rod ends with upgraded rod ends so that you should no longer have rod ends popping out. Basically, the IFS conversion kit, which goes for $100, comes with the truck installed. Pretty cool deal. In summary, it seems to be a great scale trail truck at a great value with all the built-in features, and one that can be customized to your heart's delight, and all of that in a great looking body. Here's the Element RC Enduro Trailrunner at the AE Garage showroom, ready to be taken to its new home. I'm super excited to take this rig out for testing. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when the new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching Bigs on Hobbies.